My people, Ndoma, Ndoma. Good people. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. So today, I came back from work and I wanted to make some soup. But not be this soup carry me come here now to talk. If not, I'll be telling you how to cook this, how to do this. No, because I know you have been eating okra soup. Most of you that are watching me, you have been eating okra soup and you know how to make it. Now this word now they talk now. Now it make me come. Yeah, I want to drop something. You know, they have been telling us people will be advising you create an impact, create impact. In fact, let me create impact here right now in this place, in this video. Yes. So I've been thinking, I've been saying a lot of things in my heart, and I want to say it out. In life, in life, stay with positive minded people. Mm, you had me right. Okay, let me break it. Stay with people that have positive energy, people that can encourage you, people that love you, people that can, anything you do, they will tell you in your front. They will not, you know, quote it. They will not try to fake it. They will tell you, sis, this thing you do not go do. They will correct you enough. Hmm. You get why. In this life, if you are not careful, those people that you're staying with will give you a mark that can never go out in your life till you die. You had me right. You had me very, very right. Yeah. This thing I'm saying here, it might not be for you, it might be for another person. So that is why it's good to share this video. Share it. Stay with people that love you for whom you are. People that can correct you in love. People that will tell you your faults in your face. Not people that will go back at the back and begin to back. If you know, you know. It gets why. At this my level, my this age, for most of us that has crossed 40, if you no learn, they say a fool at 40 is a fool forever. Hey, if you don't learn now, I don't know when you're going to learn. Stay with people that can push you forward, not competitors, not people that compete with you. Don't stay away from competition. The only competition I'm giving to you, the only person that you can compete with is yourself. You yourself. Every day compete with yourself. Yes, you get why. If you look at yourself, compete with yourself. Call your name and say, I am competing with you. Yes. Stay with people that makes you happy. Happiness is free. But if you are not careful, you'll be looking for it where you cannot find it. Make yourself happy. Try to make yourself happy. Number two, eat healthy. Eat healthy, okay? It gets why. Eat healthy food. Don't eat late night food because you're over laboring your kidney. Move your body. Exercise. It gets why. Because as you're getting to some certain stage of life, if you are not doing all these things, some system in your body will begin to go weak, go down. Your muscles, all of them, will go down even before the time you get the old age. That is why it's good. Exercise yourself, move your body. Don't always stay idle. Stay away from gossip. Stay away from gossip. Stay away from gossip. How many times did I say this? Mm. Blood pressure, high blood pressure is real. Is real. I'm telling you, it's real. That is why you don't fit yourself. You don't force yourself on people. People that will love you for whom you are. Yeah. Like this okra soup I'm making now. I got it from my friend. She bought it, oh, not that they dash her. She bought it and she gave to me. Stay with that kind of people. People that if they see good thing, they will give to you. You don't beg for them to give to you. Mm-mm. Even you, if you love somebody, you don't beg. You don't allow them to beg before you give to them. That is why you know you love the person. So if people give to you without you begging them, they love you. It gets why. Stay with people that motivate you financially, maritally, spiritually, in every areas of your life. They will motivate you. And you say, I'm looking forward. I want to be, I want to move. I want to, that kind of people. Stay with them. Mhm. You can see now I'm making oats. This oat is what I will eat today, oh, and it's around 2 o'clock. I came back, my children, they were doing their own thing. I told them, this is what I want to do. The only thing you do for me, cut this okra for me. Yes, so, and this is what I want to eat. And this is the food I'm going to eat today. No more food till tomorrow. If I feel hungry, I will drink water. If the hungry persists, I will eat fruits till the next morning. Then, if you get as e be, I go drink tea, green tea, or ginger tea, anyone. That is it. Oh, I'm giving you my expo, and I will do some workouts, try to exercise and move my body. Then I will go and sleep like a baby on my bed. If you have ear, you hear. Not not say I dey advise you because they need to advise adults. Adults they know by yourself. This video is just a documentary for my children, for my grandchildren, and for my great grandchildren. Yes, you had me right. You had me right. I'm aspiring. All of them will grow up. Thank God for social media. I'm making use of it. So this generation, as we pass, our another generation is coming. They are coming. Yes. So this is it though. You see this food. Oh, it's about to go down. Come and join me. Oh. Come and join me. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay away from trouble. Bye.